How to recover deleted files from a USB drive. Whether you've accidentally deleted something important or your USB drive became corrupted, we've got solutions for you. In this video, I'll guide you through the two methods, one using software for a more comprehensive recovery and another using built-in tools on your computer for simpler needs. First, let's dive into using specialized recovery software. This method is great for recovering a wide range of files and handling more complex recovery scenarios. Start by downloading and installing a reliable data recovery software on your computer. Make sure to choose a reputable software to ensure the safety of your data. After you've downloaded it, connect your USB drive to your computer. Now launch the recovery software and select your USB drive as the target for recovery. Now the software will scan your USB drive to locate deleted files. This process may take some time depending on the size of your USB drive and the amount of data stored. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of recoverable files. Take your time to preview the files to ensure they're intact and select the ones you want to recover. Then choose a safe location on your computer to save the recovered files. Click Recover and let the software save your file securely. Once recovery is complete, safely eject your USB drive from the computer. Now let's explore a method using built-in tools on your computer. This is useful for quick and simple file recovery needs. Connect your USB drive to your computer. If you've recently deleted files from your USB drive, they might still be in the recycle bin or trash on macOS. Now locate the files you want to recover, right-click on it and choose Restore. Once you've recovered your file, safely eject your USB drive from the computer. And there you have it. You now know how to recover deleted files from a USB drive using both software and built-in tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.